perform their stated reductions.
My name is David Garcia. I'm 56 years old, and I have a daughter. She's 22, going to college. She's almost graduating this year, and I'm very proud of her. I work for Region 19. I work as a maintenance or facility person there. I do grounds, I do maintenance, repairing doors. The thing is, there's different schools. I can explain it better. Region 19 Head Start, it's a program for lower income families, and we have different sites. We have 32 sites, and where I'm at is where the administration and two small schools where children from 0 to 4 years old, they go there. The pain, my lower back has affected me a lot, everywhere, like the basic things like putting on my shorts, my pads, tying up my shoes, getting into the car, walking. Sometimes I have to stop when I walk long distance. Even when I'm sitting down too, it gets painful. In daily life, it's painful, just doing little things. I heard about Dr. Jimenez through my sister, and she came to visit him. She recommended him, and she said he was great to him, and she helped him a lot. It's been 2 years since I had this pain on and off. It hasn't gone away. Sometimes it's worse, sometimes it's light. But through those 2 years, it's gotten worse. And that's when I had to see Dr. Jimenez. Dr. Jimenez has helped me a lot. He has, the pain is less. It's not painful. It's where my back is able to loosen up, start to walk better, and the pain has gone. Not completely, but it's on its way. I think it's helped me tremendously, where I couldn't bend at times, and now I can easily, bend down and stretch. And but the sessions that I've been here, every time it's helped a lot. This is my third session to see Dr. Jimenez. He's the best at talking to me about what's my problem and what I have to work on, and for me to help myself on a daily basis and what I need to do. Plus the work he does on me, the movements and the stretching and the massages that he has provided for me, it's helped tremendously. Oh yes, I recommend Dr. Jimenez. He's a great doctor. He communicates very well with the patients, and he tries to help you wherever you need it in every way. And I do recommend him. Well, I like to say about the staff, good things. They do a great job on presenting the situations with the insurance and explaining to you what's the process and what you're going to go through, and it's helped a lot. It's made it easy.